Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Dog Seatbelts. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. PETZANA Seatbelt for Dogs. This dog seatbelt, for car made of high-quality, nylon fabric to ensure safety, features the solid zinc alloy, swivel snap and quality buckles. The dog lead ensures the safety of your dog while traveling, and provides a relaxing driving experience for you. Number 4. COOYOO Dog Seatbelt. The material of our seatbelt be extra durable, made of high-density nylon fabric to ensure durability, and the metal elements of the construction to be sturdy enough not to unbuckle or snap at the worst possible moment. The dog seatbelt can be easily adjusted from 22 to 31 inches. Number 3. Slowton Dog Seatbelt. 360-degree rotating clip helps to prevent tangle, allowing dog to sit, stand, lie down or reach to window to see out comfortably. The reflective stitching design makes it great for nighttime use, especially when used as a dog walking leash by holding the headrest loop. Number 2. Lina Pet's Dog Seatbelt. This dog seatbelt harness set was designed with your comfort in mind, as well as it comes with a practical hair remover brush that captures and removes dog hair with ease and helps maintain a clean vehicle at all times. This heavy-duty seatbelt is designed with an elastic buffer that keeps it from tangling, while offering a limited but safe freedom of movement. Number 1. IOKHEIRA Dog Seatbelt. IOKHEIRA Dog Seatbelt is designed with two different types of safety buckles on one end. One is hook latch, which can attach to the child safety seat and the car trunk. The other one is seatbelt buckle, which is the same as a typical human seat buckle, can stick directly into the seatbelt slot